Good morning, Todd from Walnut Ridge. Been a minute since we've done a video over here in service with the holidays, and we were shut down. So here we are on a Friday. Weather is windy out, rainy. Cold weather is coming next week, minus 20s. Thought it'd be a good video, you folks, for slide seal conditioning due to the cold weather coming. So when these slide outs are in, obviously they are rubber slide out seals. Cold weather, and if that slide out has been sitting in a while, we have seen them get stuck to the inner slide out fascia with this slide out closed, and then you go to open this thing up and have actually seen these slide seals rip, get pulled away just due to the freezing temperature. So seal saver, definitely you could just barely crack it just to get in there. Spray these down to keep them well lubricated. That will help with, if you have to run it out. There is people out there that do live in these around Indiana, Ohio. So definitely this is your friend all year long, but especially in the winter months and with this frigid cold coming. So just spray it on there, let it set. You'll see it start. It'll come out foam, and then you'll just see it. It'll just look like a clear mist. Let it set for a couple minutes, then you're able to run your slides in and out, but it will help you protect your slide seals. Also wanted to mention, a lot of dealerships have been up there. We are up at the Indiana State Fairgrounds for the big RV show. This is the last weekend for that, so that's today and tomorrow. So go up and see what we've got up there. We've got a lot of nice units up there, well-versed sales staff, so please go to I know the weather's not great, but you can get out, go in there and see what we got at the RV show. And again, like I said, it's today and tomorrow is the last day. So hope you guys have a good day.